Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have the essentials, an AWS account and an MFA device. Now start. Open the AWS console and sign in with your username and password, or open the AWS CLI and run Oz SDS Get Session Token if required. If you use a virtual authenticator, launch Google Authenticator or Authy. For hardware tokens, ensure it's powered. Once done, navigate to your security credentials. This moves you directly into the MFA code retrieval flow so you can proceed without delay. You're in the MFA section. Here's how to get the code and why it matters. If you use a virtual app, open it and read the current 6-digit top. These change every 30 seconds to prevent replay attacks. If hardware, press the token button to generate the code. For CLI access, run the Oz SDS Get Session Token command and supply the MFA code when prompted to obtain temporary credentials. Make sure to match the account and device pairing because mismatches block access. Enter the 6-digit code where prompted and act quickly because these codes expire. If the code fails, first check your device clock and sync it. Time drift is the most common issue. If syncing doesn't help, disable and reconfigure MFA from an administrative account or use AWS support pathways if you're locked out. Finally, store backup codes or register a second device to avoid future outages. This prevents a single point of failure and keeps your account accessible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.